This is from Gigi to Thea.
Thea.
What's in there? Thea, you gonna open it?
Open the lid. Whoa. Want to open it up?
See what's in the box.
Whoa. You feel how soft it is? You want it on? Oh, this is a good sign. She wants to put it on.
That's a first.
Good sign. Is that soft and cozy?
You ready to go to the park now?
All right.
Thea, can you say thank you, Gigi? Say hi.
Thea.
Thea. Okay, bye, Thea.